Welcome to this clear and concise guide on how to add emojis in your WordPress posts. This tutorial is designed to help you infuse essential expressions into your content using a simple method that takes only minutes. We will begin by guiding you to navigate to your WordPress website. Open your web browser and type in your WordPress URL. Once the site loads, look to the top right corner of the page where you will find a login option. Clicking on login initiates the process that will allow you to access your site's editing interface. After clicking login, the next step involves signing into your account with ease. When prompted, select the option that lets you continue with your Google account. This method simplifies the login process by allowing you to choose the account you wish to use, make sure that you have your preferred Google account ready, and simply click on the option to continue with it. This streamlined approach saves time and helps you get directly into the editing environment without hassle. Once you have successfully logged in, direct your attention to the quick links section within your dashboard. In this section, locate the option labeled Edit Site. This option is your gateway to the site editor where you can modify your content. Clicking on Edit Site takes you into a space that is fully equipped with various editing tools, making it easy to customize your website's posts. After entering the site editor, navigate to your post content. Within the editor, identify a paragraph block or any text section that you wish to update with the emoji enhancements. Once you have clicked on the desired block or text area, you are now set to insert emojis into your content. This step is vital as it prepares the area for the next phase of adding expressive characters. With the text block selected, the process to insert an emoji becomes really simple using a keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press the Windows key combined with the period or dot symbol. This particular shortcut summons a built-in dialog box that displays a variety of emoji options available for insertion. The dialog box is intuitive and it allows you to choose from a broad range of emoji, ensuring you can express the exact sentiment you want. From smiley faces to symbols and other graphics, this feature enriches the visual appeal of your post and brings an inviting tone to your content. Once the emoji dialog box appears, you can now select the desired emoji to insert into your text. Click on your preferred icon and it will immediately appear in your post. This efficient method not only enhances your content but also makes your messaging more engaging and visually appealing. Enjoy integrating these small yet powerful symbols into your WordPress posts to communicate emotions in a fun and modern way. Thank you for following this guide on adding emojis to your WordPress posts. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily add a touch of personality to your website content without the need for additional plugins or complex procedures. Happy editing and enjoy your new expressive posts.